You might not think of financial products as products, say like toothpaste. But the fact of the matter is they are. Financial products get designed, they get focus grouped, they get manufactured, and then they get thrown into the marketplace to fight it out, complete with catchy names and ad campaigns, just like any other product you might purchase. Except for one big difference. When you go to a drugstore to buy toothpaste, you get to see all the different brands of toothpaste. You see the pricey ones, the deeply discounted ones, the ones that whiten for sensitive teeth, with fluoride or all natural. And you get to make a decision based on which one works best for you. On the other hand, when you go to a brokerage firm to buy a financial product, you only see the financial products that they manufacture or they're getting paid to distribute. What they got is what you get. Because along with design, manufacturing, marketing, and distribution, brokerage firms also control sales and service. Which makes you wonder, where can you actually go to see all of your options? What do you do to make sure you're not getting sold toothpaste from the company that pays the highest commission? And the answer is this. Talk to a registered advisor, like the ones at Hightower. Hightower was started by advisors, many of whom once worked for brokerage firms, who recognized and objected to the inherent conflicts of interest. At Hightower, we don't manufacture financial products. We don't design them, and we don't take commissions from the products that we do recommend. In fact, as a fiduciary, we're legally obligated not to. Hightower advisors challenge every firm on Wall Street to compete for your business at the fairest price, which everyone but the brokerage firms would likely agree is the way the process should work. So that in the end, only the products that work best for you win.